If you're looking to start making new passive income, teaching your audience a new skill online can be a great way to monetize your knowledge and expertise. Squarespace makes it easy to create, market, and sell a professional online course your audience will love. In this video series, we're going to cover some of the best practices for building and selling a compelling, informative course on Squarespace. We'll break down the process into a series of steps to help guide you through it. We'll start by helping you prepare your course content. We'll walk through how to choose your course topic, create an outline, and draft your lesson scripts. Then, we'll give you tips for filming and editing your course videos. Next, we'll show you how to build your course with Squarespace. We'll go through setting up your course, uploading your content, laying out your lessons and chapters, and creating an overview page. Then, we'll look at how you can monetize your course and offer suggestions for making sure you set the right price. Finally, we'll talk about identifying and connecting with your audience and tips for marketing and selling your online course. We'll focus on how to create a course yourself. But if you're interested in hiring someone to build your course for you, you can find and connect with a professional designer to help you at squarespace.com/designer. Squarespace has a large network of expert designers and developers who can help you stand out online. Okay, let's get started.